Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Sheldon 13-inch by 24-inch lathe. It is variable speed. It has a 2 1/4/8 spindle thread and a 1 3/8 spindle hole. We've got a 3-jaw with it, 4-way tool post, 4-jaw drive plate, live center, and drill chuck. It's got the thread dial, Morse taper number 2 in the tailstock. Gears look to be in good condition. And to control the variable speed, you just push this button to go faster, and this button to go slow. So it's in direct drive now. Back here, you just pull the pin up front here. And engage back gear. And now she should go really slow. The motor is 3-phase. It's 2 horsepower. It's currently wired for 220, but can be rewired for 440. Seems to be in pretty good condition, but they were very hard on the chip tray. Thanks for looking.